Hello guys, today I show you how to create a double exposure effect in the Photoshop like this picture. So we have main object and mountain. How to do it? So I close this one and do not save. So I have two picture here. So I drag the main picture to the Photoshop. So I unlock the layer here. Click select here. Click object. Make sure it's plus. Drag. Yeah. Okay. So I control J. This one delete layer. Yes. So add here solid color. Must be it white. Okay. Drag it below. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Select on here the main picture. So I rename it main layer. Example. And then click on main layer. Picture adjustments. Click on desaturate. Yeah. So I drag another mountain to the main layer. So I reduce the capacity here like this. Okay. Click OK and make it 100 the mountain. Yeah. And then what's next? Click on layer here. Click Control. Click on here and click on mountain. Make new mask. Okay. Yes. Nice. And click on here. Click on Alt. Drag it to the top and select here. Select Unlightened. Yeah. Click on the main layer, copy here. New mask layer. Make sure it is black and white, and select on brush tool. I want a 100. So big, eh? Okay. So I brush this to make it. And select on this new mask, and then it is the same, black white. Oh, it is smart object. Okay. Okay. Reduce the color or reduce something on his face. Control R to zoom. Yeah, it's done. So save these pictures. Click here, save as. Where you wanna save? You wanna save as JPEGs in desktop. It's for AAA. Click save. Make sure it's largest. Okay. Go to the desktop. Here. Yeah. That's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.